Good morning, everybody. My name is Antonia Noloha. I'm a DMP student from Brandman University. I'm in the class of Dr. Clary, DMPU 705. I'm here to present Proactive Health Communication Campaign. Overview is uncontrolled high blood pressure. Hypertension is a symptomless condition that damages blood vessels and leads to serious health problems if it is not adequately managed. Approximately half of U.S. adults develop hypertension, which is defined as systolic blood pressure equal to or greater than 130 and or diastolic blood pressure equal to or greater than 80. According to CDC, about half of U.S. adults have uncontrolled hypertension of 140/90 or greater. Uncontrolled high blood pressure is the leading cause of stroke, heart failure, heart attack, renal disease, and premature death. The risk factors that contribute to uncontrolled hypertension, including medication non-adherence, smoking, obesity, stress, lack of exercise, excessive salt and alcohol intake. The topic is antihypertensive medication adherence, which is one of the management of hypertension. And other management of hypertension includes increased physical activity, smoking cessation, stress and weight management, healthy diet, low salt and alcohol consumption. Antihypertensive medication adherence agenda: identifying the population at risk, describing health risk, describing health promotion, importance of medication adherence, theoretical framework, multimedia approaches, resources, references, question. Population at risk. I live in Culver City, which is in western Los Angeles County, California, with a population of 40,351. The city of Los Angeles surrounds the Culver City. Approximately more than half of the adult population has hypertension, age 20 to 75 years, that is uncontrolled. Health risk. Uncontrolled hypertension. Uncontrolled hypertension is the major risk factor for heart diseases, stroke, and the fifth leading cause of death in the United States. In 2016, 82,735 deaths were caused by uncontrolled high blood pressure. The total cause of uncontrolled hypertension were 55.9 billion in 2015, and the estimated causes by 2035 will be 220.9 billion. Uncontrolled hypertension adds extra burden to the patient, family members, and caregivers. What is happening here is that a lot of patients or people are non-compliant to their medication. So using the flyers and telemedicine include text messages, phone calls, and visual classes will help to educate people about hypertension, its complications, and the importance of medication adherence. The importance of antihypertensive medication adherence. Patients adhering to medication and positive lifestyle behavior reduces hypertension complications, including heart failure, kidney diseases, premature death, and healthcare costs. Medication adherence is taking medication as prescribed and adopting lifestyle modification modifications recommended by the healthcare provider. Health theory. Dr. Faye Abdullah's theory of 21 nursing problems is a conceptual model concerned with patients' need and nurses' role in identifying the problem and using health educational information to solve or reduce the problem. The 21 nursing problems are divided into 3 major categories: problems consigned to the patient, physical, psychological, and social need of the patient, interpersonal relationship between nurses and the patient. Dr. Abdullah's theory helps provide care or healthcare information to people to meet their needs, restore self-management, and prevent impairment. Multimedia approaches to improve medication adherence include phone calls as a reminder system, text messages as also a reminder system, visual classes to educate the patient to make them aware about hypertension and its complication and medication adherence, infographic to help them to understand the importance of medication adherence, daily pill setup to help them to take their medication daily, electronic medical record to identify patients who are in need of help, to help them to comply with their medication, flyers to educate the patient the importance of medication adherence and also hypertension and its complication. This is the flyer that I developed that says about what is high blood pressure, the importance of medication adherence, how they can remember to take their medicine, and also what type of medication are being prescribed and what the medicine does, and also the side effects of the medicine and the complication of uncontrolled high blood pressure. The other flyer says about healthy life behavior, taking medication as prescribed, healthy eating, maintaining healthy weight, smoking cessation, increased physical activity, limitation of salt and alcohol consumption, and also always keep appointment with the healthcare provider. The next multimedia example is patient-provider communication and interpersonal collaboration, which help the provider to understand why patient is not complying to the medication, which might include belief, fear of the side effect, forgetfulness, cost, and uninsured. And this will help the provider to collaborate and communicate with other interprofessionals like social worker, case manager, pharmacy to help this patient to comply with their medicine. The goal of Healthy People 2020 is to improve high quality care, promote health, prevent disability, and premature death. Another multimedia example is community engagement, which involves stakeholders meeting, explain the importance of medication adherence and also hypertension and its complication, and community outreach, the awareness of hypertension and adverse effects of medication non-adherence, and using the webinar to educate the community about hypertension, its complication, and the importance of medication adherence. Resources include facts about hypertension from CDC. Small changes will make a big difference in managing your blood pressure from American Heart Association. Health and Social Services in Culver City, what is blood pressure from American Heart Association. And for more information, you can reach me at anuloha@mail.brandman.edu for any question. Thanks for watching and listening to my proactive health communication campaign. And this is my references.